What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to do ranks, how to make ranks. Like, as you can see right here, my alt account has 1 staff. And if you want to make ranks like this, all you have to do, go to objectives, add, and then here you can change the colors. So like E is gold, Q, or you could do the numbers. 1 is blue, 2 is green, 3 is cyan, 4 is red, 5 is purple, 6 is an orangish yellow, 7 is gray, 8 is like almost unseeable but it's very dark gray, and 9 is light blue, and 0 is dark gray. So you can do any of those, or you can do some of the ones on the keyboard. If you do K, for some reason it just does this. For some reason, if you do O, it can do that. You do L, it makes it bold, and K does that for some reason. And I'm going to do E, or you can do. I'm going to do E for example, and I'm going to do bold. I'm going to do bold, and then we do right. You have to keep it right there. You have to make sure there's no space, or I'll count that as the dummy after it. There you go. All right, that's step 1 of 3. Scoreboard objectives. Set display. Below name. Staff. And then boom. Now /scoreboard players, set, and then whatever player you want. You could do yourself, other people, and then 2. And then now you just do the rank that you put, and you have, for some reason, you have to pick a number. You have to put a number. You can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can do 10. You can do a billion. I don't know why you'd want a billion staff, but you know that's up to you, I guess. And yeah, for example, I'm just gonna do 1, and boom, there you go. Now you have it. That's how you make a rank.